This is letter A. A for apple. A for apple. This one here. After letter A will be letter B. Here is letter will be B. This is letter B. B for ball. B for ball. Here is will be B. After B, letter will be here C. C. This is letter C. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. After C, letter will be here D. D. This is letter D. D for dog. D for dog. Here is D. After D, letter will be E. Here is letter will be E. This is letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. After E, alphabet will be here F. F. This is letter F. F for fish. F for fish. After F, alphabet will be here G. This is letter G. G for God. G for God. G for God. Oh, sorry, kids. After G, alphabet will be H. H. H for hand. H for hand. Here is H. H after I. I. This one alphabet I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. After I will be J. J. This is alphabet J. J for jog. J for jog. After J, letter will be K. This is letter K. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. After K will be L. This one alphabet L. L. L for lion. L for lion. After L will be alphabet M. This is alphabet M. M for monkey. M for monkey. After M will be N. This one alphabet N. N for nest. N for nest. After N will be O. This one alphabet O. O for orange. O for orange. After O will be alphabet P. This one alphabet P. P for peacock. P for peacock. After P alphabet will be Q. This is letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. After Q alphabet will be R. R. This is alphabet R. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. After R will be S. This is alphabet S. S for sun. S for sun. Here is S. After S will be T. T. This is letter T. T for telephone. T for telephone. After T will be U. This one U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. After U will be V. V. This one alphabet V. V for van. V for van. After V alphabet will be W. This is letter W. W for watch. W for watch. After W alphabet will be X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. After X will be Y. Y. This is alphabet Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. After Y will be alphabet Z. This is alphabet Z. Z for zebra.